And it goes a little something like.
Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I literally was in the middle of brushing my hair because I just got out of the shower. Also, I have got to go, but I just wanted to start this vlog because it is Friday and I wanted to do kind of a vlog, but also I wanted to do my facial cart in this video, so I'm gonna do that when I get to my spa. And then I just have a brow wax, so I'm gonna do my brow wax and then I'll go over my facial cart with you guys. And I also work at Chili's tonight. Also my hair, oh my god, just like falls out when I'm brushing it, but that's fine. So I was gonna throw some like foundation on really quick just so that I have like a foundation base on. I literally wear foundation at Chili's because my face gets like red when I work and I don't really want my face getting red. So when I put foundation on, it at least covers it a little bit and then they don't think I'm like embarrassed. It doesn't get red because I'm embarrassed. I'm just like working hard and I feel like it just makes my face kind of red. And I'm like running around. But yeah, so I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Water Blend Foundation. I really like this one because it's very natural. And then I just apply it with my Sigma brush, which has like synthetic fibers at the end. And I'm just gonna apply this. I might just apply this and nothing else, I don't know. Just so it looks like I'm not wearing makeup. But I am. Okay, just apply this. But yeah, I feel like I haven't done a facial cart. Did I ever do one of those videos? I don't know. But I feel like I haven't done one of those before. And I could just like go over the products that I leave on the cart. And the machines that are on the cart. Because I know people are wondering. But yeah, let me just apply this. And then I have to go to my spa because it is 11:30 and I have a client at 12:30. Okay, see, it looks like I'm not even wearing foundation, but I am enough where it will cover my redness. So, like enough, I guess. It's still, I still look a little red, but at least I don't look beet flushed red at work. But yeah, so I'm about to just rock this wet hair with my brow wax client. I know her pretty well, so it's fine. I just really wanted to wash my hair today and have it like air dry all day. But yeah, let me go to my salon and let me get all my Chili's stuff ready too, because I might just go to my mom's house and like let Bentley run around and stuff. But yeah, we'll see. Good morning, baby. Good morning. You ready to like go do something? I don't want to say it yet. Here's my Chili's shirt. My bag. Then my server book. What a lovely day today. Cute. Okay, back in the studio. Okay, so I just like quickly did my brow wax and now I want to show you guys my cart. So I'm going to put you right here But this is my, hold on. This is my facial cart that I use with every single appointment. Wait, can you see it better like that? And I keep on top, which I'll show you guys. I keep on top products that I always mostly use for facials, like my two favorite cleansers. I have the raspberry refining, and then I have the green tea. Then I have some enzymes that I use all the time. I have the goji berry mask over here because I like to use that for a lot of clients. Strawberry spearmint. And then I have this little tray right here that I mix all my enzymes when I want to cut them sometimes, because sometimes the enzymes are too strong for the client. So I bring this, mix it with my brush. So I have that there. I have some serums. I have a detox gel. I have my little candle that sometimes I light. And then I have my plant. This is just decoration. And then I always put a towel right here because during facials, sometimes my hands get unnecessarily like wet and I just want to like dry it off. So I replenish this towel every single facial, and I just like to put one there. I have my jade rollers right here that I use sometimes on my clients if I feel like they're getting a little red from like enzymes or something. I have my extractors, which actually I usually keep them in here, but I just cleaned them, so I threw them on top. But I always put my extractors in their little thing after being sanitized. I have all my little tools right here and my tweezers that I keep in here. But yeah, that's basically everything I keep on top. And when I do a facial, I put the bowl right here, and then I put 2 brushes here as well. So that is what I use. I also put my little palette here too. But yeah, I got this cart from IKEA, by the way. It was like $30, so it was really nice. Plus, by the way, this light, I could link it down below. I got this off Amazon. It's like my wannabe glam core light, but I just wanted to mention that too. And then I got these 2 baskets from TJ Maxx, and this is where I keep some of my facial like tools. I have my skin scrubber down here. If you guys are an esthetician, you know like what a skin scrubber is. Whoa, now it's turning on. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, this is my skin scrubber. I have my globes in here, my little rose gold ice balls, just for some cryo facials, even though they're not like actually ice. But oh my god, now they're not going back in the bag. But yeah, I keep those in here. I keep my gua sha, and I keep some microderm, wherever they are, like microderm circles. I think I'm out of those actually, but whatever. And then in here, I keep my high frequency little guys. I have all of them. And then this one, my little high frequency guys. Very lightly in there. I know I looked like I just threw them in there, but I did not. And then I have my extractor tools in these. And then I have all my aesthetic wipes right here. And I like to keep a little sanitizer on my cart at all times, just in case like I want to grab my phone or something really quick, and then I just want to like pop some hand sanitizer, because I never want to like put any dirt back on their face. So I want to make sure I'm always sanitizing. You should never touch your phone during your facial, but if you want to show them a picture, if it's your friend or something, I like to keep some hand sanitizer there just for that. And then oh yeah, my other gua sha was under here. I lost this. I didn't know where it was. It was literally under here. Okay, anyways, I'll wash that. But yeah, then I have my aesthetic wipes, and I put those guys right there. I'm knocking it over. Oh my gosh. I have a clip right here, just in case I ever need to throw my hair up. I have my remote for my light right here. It's magnetic, so it just magnets to the side. And on the bottom, which I know you guys can't really see, but I'll show you like this. I keep my LED mask on the bottom. I have gloves, which did run out, and I put tissues that also ran out. I have to go buy more of those, but I just wanted to show you guys that that is where they go. I keep just like a nice box of tissues because just in case, you know, you need a little tissue. And then of course you always got to keep gloves, and I have got to buy more of those because I have a Brazilian coming up, and when I do extractions like on facials, I have obviously my gloves right there. But yeah, that's basically everything I keep on my cart. I put it right there against the wall, and then I like work like this. So I have my bowl, all my stuff. Let me put this right there, and then I pull my bed back. I moved this so I could show you guys, but yeah, there's my bed. But yeah, that's basically my facial cart. I know people have been like wondering about that. I can link everything down below. Oh, also my high frequency and my microderm machines are both right here, but I also keep these if I'm not actively using them. I do keep those in the wooden bin, but I was using them the other day, so I left them out. I'll finish my brow wax. I know you guys still want to see like brow waxes and facials. I say this every vlog. I have to like find time where I could literally do one of those, like a facial procedure on somebody that I know, obviously like Natalie or Lizzie or something, that I could obviously record and it not be, you know, like weird. But yeah, I've already done 2 of those, by the way. You guys always ask me for like facial videos. I have done 2. I did one on my brother and I did one on Natalie. They are, I could link them down below if you guys want. They're older videos. I think they're from like last year, but they're still good. So I have those, and then I could do another one if you guys are interested with like tools or something. And I could do a brow wax in depth. I've never done that actually. Well, I kind of did, but I could do another one. So now I'm basically done for the day. That was all I had to do. It was just a brow wax, and now I have to go to my parents' house. I might pick up like lunch or something. I'm really hungry. I have not eaten yet today, and I don't know what my dad's doing, but he's home, so I can see if he's hungry. Okay. It is raining outside too, which sucks, but it's okay. I'm gonna grab my phone. Okay, let me go to my mom and dad's house. I'm watching The Ultimatum, and it is so funny.
Hey, Kobe.
I don't want to give too much away. Okay, I just got home from Chili's and I changed into my pajamas. I'm just wearing this tank top, which is not the cutest tank top, but it's fine. I'm so tired though from working there, and I'm editing this vlog actually, but sorry this vlog wasn't like super long, but it's just because right when I went to work, I was super busy. It's 12:39 now, and I got home like an hour ago. And yeah, but I just wanted to properly close out this vlog because I haven't done that in a while. I just kind of like abruptly end them, and I'm so sorry about that. But I'm just so thankful for everybody, and my subscribers are doing so good. I'm so happy. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was informative because I know I showed my cart. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. But yeah, bye guys.